All right, in celebration of actually hitting 300 um, subscribers, I am going to do a 50-cent roll hunt. If I could figure out how to do it live, I'd do it live, but I hadn't figured that out quite yet. I don't think I have a camera that's capable of doing it. So I'm just going to have to record it and figure it out later on. So I picked these up from the bank today. Hopefully they all won't be new ones. And I just turned that on there so that I can't get to it to open it. All right. And these do look to be circulated. I don't see anything that looks like it's silver, although that one looks kind of shiny. That might just be new though. I think that one's just new. So I'm going to go through these. I will go through the first 10 or so. Whenever I get something worth bringing back and showing you, I'll bring you back and show it to you. I will talk to you in a minute. All right. I went through all these. Didn't find anything. No NICs, no double dyes, no FGs, no proofs, no silver. This is the next group. This is the heaviest one. I think it's right at 26 or 226 grams. This is the lightest one at 224.4, I think. So, and that's my mouse getting in the way. So, I'm going to go through and I'm going to take a heavy one, then I'm going to take a light one. These are the heaviest ones that were 225.5 or heavier. The first ones here were the ones underneath 225, and then the ones in the back are all the normal weight, 225 to 225.5. So I'm going to go through all these again, and hopefully if I find something great, I'll bring you back. If not, I'll do a wrap up at the end. Talk to you in a little bit. All right, I'm finished with my hunt, and here are my finds. All of my finds. 1,000 coins. That's it. Actually, we can probably zoom in on that. A 2002P NIFC. So, just to make this a little bit more interesting, I guess what I will go ahead and do at this point in time is I just got this in. Because of the hurricane that happened, I had to sell some of my silver, and this is replacing some of it. I wasn't able to replace all of it, but I was able to replace some of it. So you will get to see what I replaced it with. It's from Monument Metals, and it was their new customers buy metal at spot. And let me get that out of the way. I have to make sure that name didn't show up everywhere there. And we got a box inside a box. Okay, we got a box inside a box that won't come out of the box. So let's just do it this way. Yeah, make sure I got the blade face the right way. Okay, apparently you have to have an engineering degree to get into this. Then we got a bag inside a box inside the other box. Why do I feel like I'm dealing with Russian nesting dolls? Oh, let's do scissors on this instead of the knife. That would just make life so much more easy. I think it would make life so much more easy. Hello. What happened? Oh, never mind. Okay. Spring lit blank, but I guess it's still recording, so we're good. There we go. And I'm making this way more difficult than it probably should be, but from what I've seen other people opening stuff like this, it's probably not that much more difficult. Okay. What I got was they had these 5 coins for a spot. So that's 2. 3, and 4, and 5. And in order to get the free shipping, I had to order another $60 worth of stuff. So I got this really nice and shiny. Let's see if I can zoom in on this a little bit. Nope, it won't let me zoom in on it. So we'll just, a BU 1923 peace dollar. And this is an AU. What year is that? 1986. God, I know, I should put the glasses on before I started. 1896. Morgan. And the Morgan is a Philadelphia, and the BU is also Philadelphia. So I got another Morgan, another peace dollar, and 5 ounces of silver to replace the 10 ounces of silver I sold. Not a direct replacement, but all I can afford right now. So, and this is from going through $1,000 worth, or $500, but $1,000 half dollars. One NIFC, Philadelphia. So, hope you enjoyed this, or at least enjoyed it as much as I did. And please like and subscribe, and share it if you want to, and come back. I'll be doing going to the bank tomorrow to get something else to look through, so I'll be posting more next week. So have a good weekend, happy hunting, and enjoy yourself. Talk to y'all later. Bye bye.